This is Shebang by Drake. To me, this was the radio hit. This was the mainstream one because it's versatile, right? You could hear it in your mainstream areas, at the mall, on radio, a lot of digital platforms. It's not as gritty or assertive. It's more friendly. I think this one has a big success digitally when it comes to streams and stuff like that. But I mean, it's still early on right now, right? He did 600K first week, which is massive. All 3 albums charted 1, 2, and 3 on the Billboard Hot 100. So, I mean, it's open, right? We're still figuring out what this album means and how it fits in history. Let's get it, man. Let's get it.
Yeah. Ice. Yo. Manish on the beat, Shebang. All of my ops, they dead. Why do they gas me up? Where does it go? My head. How much I got? A lot. Don't leave again, I won't.
I said this in the last reaction. He made a movie, bro. And look. He's not trying too hard on the visuals. He's just giving you visuals. Me and my boy JB had this talk the other day. Audio, video, right? When I'm building out this room, most of the time when you're listening to music, you're just audio, right? We don't stop to think how much video complements audio. It's cereal and milk. And once you have audio, we did an experiment, me and JB. We were over his crib, right? And he's creating a playlist on Spotify where it's all videos. So he's playing tracks, right, that have videos that accompany them. And one track, he took that away randomly, where it's just a static image, right? You know how YouTube sometimes, you know how on YouTube sometimes they have just a static image. And it didn't have the same vibe in the room, right? People are kind of just like, they didn't know what to do. With the videos, it makes things a lot smoother. People are talking, they have something to look at. I'm telling you, video was always meant to accompany audio. It's just the way it is. I don't make the rules. Look at this. No one's on screen yet. What are we at? Young artists, take notes. 25 seconds in, usually you want to have somebody on screen. You want to have something to look at. This guy's such a big artist, he doesn't need that. There's no focal point. He's saying, I'm going to give you something cool to look at, but focus on the music. Shebang.
Thinking and trying me do like Bryson, pussy ass nigga and don't. Can I forgive? I can't. What do I need? Some head. Shorty keep asking a date. She tryna finesse Poly Market for bread. Where's the beef? It's cooked. Where's the boy? He's booked. Don't even recognize none of these names at the top of the charts. I look. Am I upset? A bit. Last one you dropped was shit. I did press play on that hoe. Mid, skip.
You know who skipped. You know whose albums we listen to where there's like 3 good tracks, 3 solid tracks, and then the rest is skipped because of all the weird impressions and noises and onomatopoeias and shit like that. We already know who that is.
Should I take a trip? Who should I take? His bitch. Tennis lessons with a Nike skirt on and her ass popping out. You're 6. Where's the goat? They need one. The mirror's right here. I see one. My nigga don't know how to pay me back, so he said next hat he catches a free one. What kind of clip? Extendo. What kind of switch? Not Nintendo. Y'all hanging out with friends though. They hanging out the window. What's up with gang? We back. What's in my raps? It's facts. She said she missed me, all caps. Gotta ain't better than that.
Flow simple. He's keeping the same delivery throughout the whole track because it's playful. This track was meant for fun. This track was meant to be a bop. When they say bop, they're referring to tracks like this. Where's the boy's book, man? Where's the GOAT? He looked. Come on, bro.
What's up with life? It's lit. But I know it get better than that. I know it get better than that. I know it get better than that. What's up, Shebang? All of my ops, they dance.
Love those beat switches. Ton of them in the album. I love he's great for beat switches.
What am I now possessed? How do I feel to refresh? Secrets I know got you stressed. Will I take those to my death? Haven't decided just yet. Yeah. 40, what's up, Shebang? All of my ops, stay this. Please don't put me to the test. They tryna get back on the net. I'm tryna get back in the flesh. Yeah.
Love that smooth ending. I almost wish he would have played with that a little more. Like he would have extended that and started doing some singing. I think his singing would have sounded really good on that slowed down outro. But shebang, man. It is what it is. Short track, what, 2 minutes and 48 seconds? Not meant to do anything more than it's doing, right? Fun, playful, summer track. And I seen a discussion on I believe X where it was like, what is the track of the summer gonna be? Because there's a couple of different options. There's a lot of different ways to go with it. It could be this one. Who knows? Thank you for tuning in with this one. Like, comment, rate, and subscribe. See you on the next. Let's get it.